I love it. So the Experimentation Trials Group can't do anything on its own. Importantly, making sure we're capturing the evidence and the data from everything we've done, learning from allies and partners, learning from our friends and colleagues across defence. Only by working together will we make the Army better. We've got American and Dutch soldiers fully integrated in everything we're doing. We're all learning from each other. They'll take back some of the best practice that they see. And it's just one of a whole series of multinational experimentation events the British Army is involved with. Anything which you can see which puts better capability into the hands of our soldiers can only be a good thing. So critically, in any urban environment, you've got to be able to move, hide and survive. So AWE Urban is all about optimising the British Army for the urban environment of the future.
Door open left on right.
Sustain and Protect is specifically looking at the logistics and complexities of operating in the urban environment, as well as the protection issues, both physical and electronic.
It's really about those trials and experimentation, and it comes two ways. First of all, we want to take some of these capabilities and rapidly ensure that they get into the hands of soldiers in the field army and our own operations. But equally, there'll be some capabilities which may be slightly less mature, where we can provide that feedback to industry so they can take them on to the next bound.
When they bring a bit of the kit that they've been developing, they don't necessarily know how it's going to be employed, and that's where our experience comes in, and they can start to then develop it further to more specific roles, or even to roles that they didn't even previously think about.
Experimentation Trials Group is all about accelerating the modernisation of the British Army, whether that's in the near term or the longer term. It's about getting things into the field army now as quickly as we can, but also setting those foundations for the modernisation of the army in the future.
So UAS has become incredibly important because it's an established technology that we're now leveraging, and other militaries around the world are leveraging. Because the level of technological advancement has been so rapid, there is always new use cases being identified.